Scientists from Rostov-on-Don invented a technology that allows the manipulation of objects with the power of thought. It's not done with telekinesis, but by reading the nerve impulses. A special program converts brain signals and sends signals to a wheelchair or a tablet. This technology can greatly simplify life. Mikhail Ontropov tried out this novelty. The neurophysiologist of the project is giving the last words of advice to the volunteer. Muscular sensations of movement must be reproduced as clearly as possible. And then, something that cannot be immediately believed. The electric wheelchair starts moving after the absolutely soundless command of the tester. Dmitry sustained a spinal injury 12 years ago. Sensors on his head record his brain activity. Then the special program recognizes the pre-recorded mental image, in this case the memories of walking sensations. Dmitry focuses on them, and the program starts the wheelchair electromotors. Probably 20 minutes in this wheelchair, and I'm already beginning to understand it. And in as little as an hour, it is confidently moving away and stops. It will take another 2 to 3 hours to learn how to turn and move back. There is a little confusion, because I honestly do not really believe in this. But it turns out that it really works. The scientific development is called a neural interface. The project involves biologists, mathematicians, and programmers. A wheelchair that is driven by human thought is just the beginning. The prospects are fantastic, especially to teach prosthesis and to teach exoskeletons to control fine motor skills, in particular. For example, separate fingers to enable such exoskeletons to type the text on a keyboard in the long term. They offer me to test a tablet that can be controlled by the power of thought. It's a prototype model. When a scientist takes a syringe, I become a little tense. Is this for contact? Yes. The gel provides high current conductivity. Calibration first, the program should read the image. The task is to imagine how the hand squeezes and relaxes. Try to relax it as much as possible and mentally reproduce the movement at the same time. According to the researcher, if you remember 24 such images, the tablet can be used without hands. Half an hour of training, and here is my first experience controlling a mobile device through the neural interface. So far, I can only go from page to page using the power of thought. The project is primarily focused on people with disabilities, but the scientists are confident that a real technological revolution is approaching. Things such as television remote control, for example, will become obsolete. We click this button on the device to get connected, and forget about it. When we need control, we give a mental command, and the device works. Researchers promise to improve the interface to a format as accessible as modern mobile devices. Mikhail Ontropov, Maxim Smagin, TV company NTV,